All the manufacturers have models that will do currency conversions, converting from one currency to another. Of the ones that I have here, the Canon, that guy, the Sharp, and the one Victor do not have it. The other Victor, the Monroe, and the Casio do. Now, like I say, they all make models that will do currency conversions, so if you need it, just be sure to buy one that has it. Other differences are the number of currencies that you can convert. That ranges from just one, so back and forth from one currency. Others will let you enter several different currencies and convert back and forth between them. On the Casio, to set the rate, let's start with a clear all. Then move this switch all the way over to where it says conversion. Next, you enter the conversion rate and you press one of the currency keys here, C1, C2, C3. The dollar sign is, I guess, for the local conversion. So suppose a dollar is 0.9025 euros. To set it now, you press the set key over here on the percent. Whoops. Press and hold that until set comes up, and then we'll press 0.9025 and C1 we'll store euros in the C1 key. At the same time, let's set the conversion rate to British pounds, 0.7509. Guess we're going to press the clear all key first. Press and hold the set until that comes up, and we'll do 0.7509 and press C2. Okay, now we've entered our two conversion rates. To view a rate, you just press CA, and you can press the key for the currency. To convert numbers, it's pretty straightforward. You do a clear all. You enter the number, and then the currency that it's in, the key for the currency that it's in, followed by the key for the currency that you want to convert to. So, for example, if we want to convert 100 euros, 100, we put euros, I believe, in C1. If we want to convert that to dollars, we press the dollar key, and it tells us, oh, I think I turned it off. To convert currency on the Casio, you simply, after clear all, you enter the value that you want to convert, press the currency key for the currency it's in, followed immediately by the currency that you want to convert to. So for example, we've got the rate set up now. Let's do 100 euros to US dollars. So we'll enter a clear all, 100. We put the euros, I believe, in the C1 key, and then we'll just press dollars. Speed that out a little bit, and it gave us 100. It gave us the conversion rate of 0.9025, and the final result, $110.90. If you want to convert in the opposite direction, for example, let's do $110 to British pounds. We'll do 100, clear, we'll do 110. We'll press the key for dollars, and then C2 where we stored British pounds. And that is 82 British pounds. On the Monroe, to enter currency conversion mode, you do define dot to, and that enters currency conversion mode. Once that's done, the 5 soft keys at the top are, the one on the left is the home currency. We'll assume it's US dollars. And then you can have 4 additional currencies that you can convert to, C1, C2, C3, C4, let's say. To set a conversion rate, you enter the number and then define and the key for that that currency. So let's do 0.9025, define C1 for our euros, and 0.7509, define C2 for our British pounds. Now to convert 100 euros to dollars, you just enter 100 and just press the key for the conversion. And there we go, and the 100 euros works out to $110.80. cents, 80.33. I've got this set to 4-digit conversion now. To convert the other way is a little bit harder. In our example, we entered 110 British pounds. To convert from British pounds to the home currency, from the home currency, $110 to British pounds, you enter 110, press the home key, and then the key for the currency you want to convert to, and it's 82.599. The last calculator here that will do currency conversion is the Victor PL8000. It only has one currency conversion rate that it can do. To set it, you press the program key here, 1, 2, 3 times. It says set currency. We'll press OK. And we'll enter the rate to get to US dollars. I've already got it in there actually, but for the euro example, it was 0.9025. We'll press OK. And then the cool part is you can enter the name of the currency. I've already got it set up for euros. To enter text, by the way, on the PL8000, it's kind of like the old flip phones where each number here has a series of letters on it. For example, the 7 key has PQRS. You press it once for P, twice for Q, 3 times for R, 4 times for S. And then it just moves along after a slight delay. So I've got that set up for euros. Let's just leave that as is. Okay, to then do a conversion, if we want to convert 100 euros to dollars, we simply enter 100, and then we say divided by and the dollar key. And it does the conversion for us. And of course, the cool part, as always, with this Victor is it prints out this nice printout with 100. It says it's 100 euros. The rate is 0.9025, and that converts to $110.80. To convert from dollars to euros, instead of doing the divide by and the dollar sign, you do a multiply and the dollar sign. So, for example, if we have 210 dollars and we want to convert to euros, we enter 210 times dollars, and it gives us the rate and the conversion.